Every year, drones keep getting better, smaller, smarter, and easier to fly, but this one right here just feels like it's the next step up for beginners and content creators. Welcome back to a brand new video, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Santi with the Tech Utopia team. Today we are checking out the Skyrover S1, and this drone right here is packing up 4K at 60 frames per second. We got a 3 gimbal axis for multi-shot. You want to pan, tilt, whatever you want to do for that creative shot, we can do that as well. We also got a 12-kilometer transmission, so you want to do long shots, you can do that as well, and the signal is not going to be lagging. And we also got the 40 minutes of flight time, and that's all under 249 grams. And yes, this thing is pretty light, but it can do really cool shots. So here's the deal. The Skyrover S1 was designed to make flying effortless, and you get professional level performance without the learning curve or stress about the regulations. And since it's under 249 grams, you can skip the paperwork and get straight into flying in most regions. Now it's lightweight, foldable, and is ready to go anywhere, which is why this brand calls it the Fly with Ease. Now the build feels pretty good for its category, and it has strong arms, the compact motors, and a 3-axis gimbal system right on the nose, and it's built for stability even in level 5 winds, and it's compact size, so it means that it can fit in a small bag or even your jacket pocket. Now let's get into the best part, which is the camera and image quality. And this is where it gets good, because this drone's camera is powered by a 1/2-inch Sony sensor and is capable of shooting 4K at 60 frames per second and capturing 48 megapixel photos. Now the colors are natural and not over sharpened, and the stabilization is incredible thanks to the 3-axis gimbal. And compared to other drones at the price, I think the S1 delivers a true live tones and a smoother motion straight out of the box. Now the Skyrover S1 features the SkyBridge HD transmission and offering a crystal clear 1080p 60 frames per second live feed up to 12 kilometers away, which that's actually serious range for a drone this light. And you get less lag and more control, and a strong anti-interference even when flying near city signals or complex terrain. Now one of the biggest headaches in the market when it comes to drones have always been about the battery and the flight time, and the Skyrover S1 gives you up to 40 minutes of flight per charge, which is a big